Hello all, we are going to view general settings parameters. Temperature unit can be selected for the device. Once selected, the device will use your preferred temperature unit for all temperature values displayed on the thermostat. Parameter used to observe that the device and the application are running. When enabled, Send a live beacon object will send selected value with defined time interval. The delay time determines the period between bus voltage recovery and the point after which telegrams can be sent. Proximity sensor can be enabled. Through the proximity sensor, it is possible to keep the Eclipse thermostat in a standby state, setting a level of brightness of the LEDs, and reactivate the backlighting of the buttons only when the user approaches to the thermostat. When proximity timeout is over, brightness of LEDs will be dimmed to standby dimming value until next proximity approach is detected. Approach detections can be enabled. When activated, approach switching value object will send selected value. Object value can be inverted. Humidity sensor can be enabled. When enabled, humidity sensor section will appear in general section. Carbon dioxide sensor can be enabled. When enabled, carbon dioxide sensor section will appear in general section. Scenes can be enabled. Scenes section will appear. We will talk about scene section in next videos. Logic functions can be enabled. Logic functions section will appear. We will talk about logic functions section in next videos. Primary LCD display can be set to show set point temperature or ambient temperature. Secondary LCD display can be set to show following values: set point, ambient temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide. Brightness sensor can be enabled. Eclipse thermostat adjusts brightness of LEDs and display according to ambient light level, which is measured by built-in light sensor. Minimum and maximum brightness levels can be defined here. LED's brightness will be adjusted between these two percentage levels. Min brightness value can be defined between 0% to 50%. Max brightness value can be defined between 50% to 100%. Darkness recognition can be enabled. Darkness switching value object will send selected value when measured brightness decreases as below 10 lux. Object value can be inverted. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.